One of the most powerful tools to protect your fiber network is MAC address filtering. Today, we're diving into the admin panel of the TP-Link XC220-G3v fiber ONT modem to show you exactly how to set up a MAC access list, giving you ultimate control over which devices can and cannot join your network. Let's get started. Step 1. Connection with ONT using Wi-Fi or wired. Use LAN cable from TP-Link ONT Ethernet port to PC or laptop, or use Wi-Fi to connect from mobile or laptop. Step 2. Login settings from web browser. Open any web browser and access tplinkmodem.net or 192.168.1.1. Use admin login password to access settings. Step 3. Enable MAC access list. Now go to Advanced tab, then go to Security from left side menu. Under Security, go to MAC access list. First, you'll likely see a main switch to enable MAC filtering. Turn that on. Now, you'll see a critical choice between two filtering modes. Deny mode, this is a blacklist. Devices on the list will be blocked, but all others can connect. This is good for temporarily blocking a specific device. Allow mode, this is a whitelist. Only the MAC addresses you add to the list will be allowed to connect. Now select Filtering Mode Blacklist and press Add button to block mobile or PC or laptop you want block accessing internet. Press Scan button to block someone already connected to your internet. Or you can add device MAC address manually. Give a name to device, a simple description to help you remember what device it is. And press OK button, and that user will blocked. Unblock device from blacklist. If you want to unblock any mobile, laptop, or PC from blacklist, just delete MAC address from the list, and that device will be unblocked. That's it. You have successfully enabled blacklist to block user using MAC access list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.